Hello everyone, I'm delighted to have you back today on Brandibay Fashion for a truly unique moment that I'm excited to share with you. Settle in comfortably, because what you're about to see in this video of the Alexis Mabille Spring Summer 2026 fashion show is sure to shake up your fashion standards as much as your expectations when it comes to technology. From the very first seconds, the atmosphere is electric at the Lido, the iconic theater on the Champs-Élysées. Guests are taking their seats, elegantly arranged on either side of a catwalk mysteriously hidden behind a protective layer, while a luminous wall draws everyone's gaze. The ambience feels familiar, almost reassuring. Then suddenly, one detail disrupts this ritual. Photographers are asked to leave their positions. You have to admit, that's not something you see every day during Paris Fashion Week. This is where everything changes. The luminous wall goes dark, plunging the room into a feverish anticipation. Then, a virtual audience appears, observing the real crowd and creating a fascinating, slightly unsettling mirror effect. You can really feel the excitement rising in the room. All eyes naturally turn to the left side of the runway, waiting for the first model to appear. But surprise! It's from the screen itself that the first silhouette emerges, kicking off a fashion show that unfolds in a virtual hall adorned with red curtains and gilded details. The name of the show, or Champs, truly comes into its own here. We're whisked away from the beaten path, somewhere between reality and the virtual world. On screen, dazzling creations parade before our eyes, ethereal dresses, sharply tailored jackets, majestic capes. The textures play off and contrast with each other, all within a sumptuous palette that ranges from brilliant red to delicate cream, with vibrant fuchsia tones, deep purples, mesmerizing Nile blues, and that emerald green that catches the light like no other. What's truly fascinating, and I have to say quite puzzling for the audience, is that these pieces don't actually exist yet in the physical world. They're entirely virtual. Alexis Mabille is breaking new ground by offering his clients the chance to visualize each design, custom-fitted to their own measurements, or even featuring their own faces. It's an immersive experience that paves the way for a whole new relationship between haute couture and technology. For us as passionate fashion spectators, this show offers a real opportunity to reflect on the industry's future. Gone are the days when creation stopped at manual craftsmanship. Now virtualization has become a creative playground in its own right. I find it especially inspiring that Alexis Mabille chose his materials: refined crepes, airy organza, precious silks, dry wools, or exquisite ostrich feathers, from real-life samples before bringing them to life through computer-generated imagery. In conclusion, I must commend Alexis Mabille's boldness and vision for this Spring-Summer 2026 collection. The highlights? The unique sensory experience offered to the audience, the daring color palette, and the deep reflection on new digital practices in fashion. A small downside, however, we might be left wanting more when it comes to pieces that are still somewhat immaterial. But what an exciting journey to discover couture in a different way. I can't wait to hear your thoughts in the comments. Does this digital shift appeal to you? Thank you for staying with me until the end of this review. I wish you an excellent viewing of the rest of the show. We'll meet again very soon to decode the next trends together on Brandibay Fashion. Goodbye.